Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a YouTube Shorts video using Filmora9. Let's jump right into this. I would like you to go to File and then to Project Settings. Usually by default this will be the resolution, which is 16 by 9. Now for us to do YouTube Shorts we have to change this. Go on the drop down menu and select 9 by 16 or portrait mode. Once you do this, this is the perfect resolution to do this. 180 times 1920. And for the frame rate, what I would like you to do is go on the drop down menu and select 60 frames per second or 60 FPS. What this will do is it will make the video run more smoothly. Then click on OK. Now let's see what we have done. We have on the left we can select a sample video, and then let's select this one and let's add it to the timeline. Usually you will get a message like this or something similar. On this message we would like to select don't change, so we keep the settings we made. Match to media is a default setting that Filmora will use, so we will select don't change. Now as you can see, the video has been converted, and what we got is these black bars on the top and on the bottom. Our next step is how to get rid of those. I would like you to do is to click on the right click on the video, then select crop to fit, and this will create the video as shown. If your video has the focus somewhere else besides the middle, what you would like to do is go to right click and then crop and zoom, and what this will enable you to do is to focus on your video or to focus the screen on the left or on the right on the video. Usually you would like to keep this at the middle, but if you want to focus on an angle you can move this on the left or on the right. Click OK, and then you will show exactly the part that you focused on. I can click play and show you what will happen. Okay, now let's set this back to the middle for our example. Okay, set this to back. Now we would like to export our video, so if we click on export, we can change the name of our video, and also we can change the location where the video will save. What I would like you to do first is just click on settings and make sure that the quality of the video is set to best, and then click OK, and after click on export. After this, Filmora will generate your video. Once you would like to upload this video on YouTube, make sure in the title and in the description box it is preferred to include the word #shorts, so it becomes easier for YouTube to recognize it as a shorts video. If you found any value in this video, consider subscribing to the channel, as I will bring more tutorials in the future with this software and many others that we will be exploring along the way. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye.